get a pen, get a cup of coffee, and repeat after me, my friend. Let's learn English together.
Chair, chair. I sit on this chair. I sit on this chair. Table, table. I put my books on table. I put my books on table. Sofa, sofa. I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa. Lamp, lamp. I switch on the lamp. I switch on the lamp. Door, door. I open the door slowly. I open the door slowly. Window, window. I look outside the window. I look outside the window. Bed, bed. I sleep early on bed. I sleep early on bed. Mirror, mirror. I see myself in mirror. I see myself in mirror. Cup, cup. I drink water from cup. I drink water from cup. Plate, plate. I put food on plate. I put food on plate. Spoon, spoon. I stir tea with spoon. I stir tea with spoon. Fork, fork. I eat salad with fork. I eat salad with fork. Knife, knife. I cut bread with knife. I cut bread with knife. Bottle, bottle. I fill water in bottle. I fill water in bottle. Pillow, pillow. I rest my head on pillow. I rest my head on pillow. Blanket, blanket. I cover myself with blanket. I cover myself with blanket. Phone, phone. I call my friend by phone. I call my friend by phone. Remote, remote. I turn on TV with remote. I turn on TV with remote. Television, television. I watch news on television. I watch news on television. Fan, fan. I switch on the fan. I switch on the fan. Air conditioner, air conditioner. I feel cool with air conditioner. I feel cool with air conditioner. Light switch, light switch. I press the light switch. I press the light switch. Power outlet, power outlet. My phone uses the power outlet. My phone uses the power outlet. Router, router. I check internet on router. I check internet on router. Clock, clock. I check the clock now. I check the clock now. Carpet, carpet. I walk on the carpet. I walk on the carpet. Curtain, curtain. I draw the curtain closed. I draw the curtain closed. Shelf, shelf. I put books on shelf. I put books on shelf. Laptop, laptop. I work on my laptop. I work on my laptop. Charger, charger. I charge my phone with charger. I charge my phone with charger.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to Your Next English for daily vocabulary and full lessons every week.